Hi everyone and welcome to another poetry reading session. My name is Ambica and I'm going to be reading out a poem to you which is very pertinent to the times that we are living in. It's about how things change, life changes, things go on. You know, a few months ago we could have probably never have thought what is happening today in the world would happen. Unless obviously you're a scientist and you are invested in that field and you're working in that field, you would have some sense of the kind of viruses and also some prediction of it. But someone like you and me, if you're sitting at home and we're just going about our business, we really could not have predicted the times that we are in. So everything changes. Even if we make plans, things change. There's so many of my friends who had made these travel plans. I, for one, had different plans for this year for sure. Everybody had something else planned, and here we are stuck at our homes. So what we have really is just today, and today we can only invest in today, invest in the happiness that we have today. We cannot really think of what lies ahead. We can think, but we cannot invest happiness in that, because who's to say what's going to happen next? So that's what this poem is about. The thing about life is that it'll never be the same. Today you have fame. Tomorrow no one may even know your name. Today your heart may jump high with joy. Tomorrow the slightest thing might annoy. Today you may have friends who don't leave your sight. Tomorrow you may have no one to wish a good night. So express gratitude for what you received today, because tomorrow is another day. And that's so true, because we don't know the world that we're living in today. We don't know how things are going to change. So think about today. Take it a day at a time. Even if you're going through a tough time, I know it's an extremely tough time world over. Take it one day at a time, because tomorrow is another day. I'll come back with another poetry reading session very soon. Stay safe. Be safe, wear those masks, be responsible towards your own health and the others as well. Take care, be safe, bye.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel to soak yourself in poetry.